Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to buy property on Monopoly Go. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to buy properties here in Monopoly Go, first you'll have to, every time you actually level up and you have to upgrade and build a landmark, you'll earn a house, and when you return to the game bar, your houses will be automatically placed on random property tiles. When you have 5 houses on a single tile, the houses will automatically upgrade into a hotel, and place hotels on all of the properties on the same color or set to earn bonus prices. So there, once it has level up, unfortunately I can't level up yet, so I can't really show you. You have to collect more and rent on property tiles that contain house or hotels as per said in the website in Monopoly. So right here, you can see the houses right there in each tile. Like this one, there's 4. So there guys, that's just how you build houses and hotels in Monopoly Go, and that's how you buy the property on Monopoly Go. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.